Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a 5-minute meditation for stress and anxiety relief. So let's just jump right into it. Meditation begins alright, so to begin, I want you to get comfortable. You can either sit or lay down. Close your eyes if you would like to, and just bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe in and breathe out. And with each exhale, let go of any tension, any stress, any anxiety that you may be holding in your body. So we are going to start with an affirmation, and I want you to repeat this affirmation with me 3 times. The first time you'll say it out loud, the second time you will say it a little bit quieter, and the third time you will say it silently in your mind. So the affirmation is, I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace. Repeat after me, I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace. And really embody those words as you say them. Feel the calmness within you. Feel yourself grounding to the earth, to the chair, to the bed that you're laying on. Feel the peace all around you, all around your body. Now let's go ahead and repeat that again. I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace. And really try to feel those words. Try to embody those words as you say them. And one more time. I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace, I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace. Now that you've said that affirmation 3 times, I want you to bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how your body feels now. Notice how you feel now. Do you feel a little bit calmer? Do you feel a little bit more grounded? Maybe even a little bit more at peace? If you're able to, I want you to take a couple deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. Just feeling your body getting more and more relaxed, your muscles getting looser and looser, your body getting heavier and heavier. As you breathe out, let go of any stress, any tension, any anxiety, anything that you don't need right now. Let it all go. Let it float away. Let it drift away on a little boat down a calm, peaceful river. Just take a couple more deep breaths, breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. And with each exhale, letting go, letting go, letting go. You can continue to repeat that affirmation silently in your mind. I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace, I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace, I am calm, I am grounded, I am at peace. And if you like, you can also visualize something that makes you happy, a place that you love, a person that you love, anything that brings you joy. Visualize it in your mind, hold it in your mind, let it fill your mind. Just continue to breathe, just relax, just let go. Allow yourself to be calm, allow yourself to be grounded, allow yourself to be at peace. And when you're ready, when you feel ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly begin to move your body, allowing yourself to come back to the room. If you were to open your eyes, you may notice that the room is a little bit brighter. You may notice that the sounds are a little bit louder. You may notice that you are a little bit more energized. Take a moment to collect yourself. Take a moment to see how you feel. And when you're ready, stretch your arms and legs out. Take a big deep breath in, and as you exhale, let out any remaining tension, any remaining stress or anxiety. Slowly begin to open your eyes, taking a moment to adjust to your surroundings. And when you're ready, you can go about your day feeling refreshed, feeling renewed, feeling calm, grounded, and at peace. Meditation ends, so I hope that you enjoyed this 5-minute meditation for stress and anxiety relief. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more meditations like this. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.